welcome to the Amoretti Test Kitchen. This is Elizabeth, and today I have a recipe for you as we head out into the warmer, cozier months of the year. It's an oatmeal raisin choco chip cookie recipe, and we're gonna amp up the classic recipe with our vanilla bean artisan and our caramel crema artisan. Let's start off by mixing the dry ingredients together. I have 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour. To it, I'm gonna drop in 1 tablespoon of cornstarch, 1/4 teaspoon of sea salt, 1/2 teaspoon of baking soda, and give it a good mix. I'm gonna set this to the side and start creaming my butter and sugars. I'm gonna drop in 1 stick of unsalted butter, along with it 3/4 of a cup granulated white sugar, 1/2 cup of light brown sugar. Now we're gonna cream it until it's really light, creamy and fluffy. Once the mix is creamy, light and fluffy, we're going to crack in 1 large egg. Blend it right in. Once the egg is mixed in, we're going to take the bowl off the mixer and fold in the rest of the ingredients. I have our vanilla bean artisan and our caramel crema artisan. 1 tablespoon of vanilla bean artisan, 1/2 tablespoon of caramel crema. Caramel crema artisan is such a wonderful addition to this cookie dough because it amps up that caramelized flavor that you're looking for in a chewy, nutty oatmeal choco chip raisin cookie. Now I'm going to drop in the dry ingredients that we mixed earlier and kept aside. To this, I'm going to fold in 1 1/4 cup of rolled oats and 1/2 cup of choco chips. You can use dark chocolate, milk chocolate, or any chocolate of your preference. You can also use like maybe hazelnut choco chips. Everything is up to you, the flavor combination, but you can also skip out the choco chips and use fully raisins. So it'll be like oatmeal raisin cookies, but I like to give it a mix of both. So it's half raisins and half choco chip. I've used the dark chocolate chips here. It's 70 to 75% cocoa. Raisins in, choco chips. I'm gonna fold it all in and bring the cookie dough together. The cookie dough is all ready. I'm going to chill it in the refrigerator for an hour and then come right out and scoop it out into a tray so that we can bake it off. Let's see how it looks after an hour. So I have my chilled cookie dough here. I'm going to use a scoop and scoop out portion-sized balls. So I have my cookies ready here to be baked. I'm gonna bake these cookies at 350 F or 180 C for 10 to 12 minutes and come right back. So look at that, I have my cookies all baked, ready, cooled, and I cannot wait to grab a bite of this one because these are one of my favorite cookies to make and eat. And it's a tad bit healthier because there's a lot of whole grain in there, but if you want to keep it more healthier, just chuck the choco chips out and go with all raisin. I have chunkier cookies here. So these ones are my favorite ones because they're bigger and chunkier. I'm gonna break into one of these warm cookies, and nothing can beat a warm cookie and a cold glass of milk. That's my thing, honestly. Look at that. It looks chewy, it looks yummy. I'm gonna take a quick bite. So the cookie is so perfect. It's soft and chewy inside, has a little bit of crispness on the outside. At the same time, has a wonderful caramel taste from our caramel crema Artisan, and wonderful depth and notes of vanilla bean from our vanilla bean Artisan. This is so perfect. So I definitely hope you guys make these wonderful chewy oatmeal raisin choco chip cookies. And if you do make it, be sure to upload your pictures on social media. Tag us at Amoretti on Instagram, Facebook, Pinterest, TikTok, and Twitter. Also, if you like the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel, like, comment, and have a wonderful week. Thank you.